thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more details on cover videos and lessons. Nanti kita akan request kau ada cover atau kau ada lesson video. Kita request buat ruang komen buat Facebook ke buat